Every child has the potential to inspire, create, and change the world around them. Gender equality means everyone, irrespective of their sex, has equal opportunities. This is vital for all children to realize their full potential. By the age of 3, children already become aware of the differences between genders and start adopting traditional expectations for male and female roles. By the age of 7, these gender expectations and gender stereotypes become more ingrained and trickier to challenge. This can have a long-lasting impact on how children perceive themselves and how they relate with others. Homes, schools, and early childhood development centers are important places where beliefs and ideas about gender roles can be broadened and challenged. Teachers and caregivers can play a key role in helping young children develop their full potential, irrespective of their sex. Meet teacher Kosi. She uses a gender-responsive approach in different aspects of her teaching. Let's take a closer look at what that means. She creates a learning environment that encourages all learners to participate in a variety of play. She doesn't want any of her learners to feel excluded. She encourages children to explore different learning and play materials both indoors and outdoors. Different types of materials help children develop a range of skills. Pictures and stories can confirm or challenge stereotypes. Kosi chooses storybooks and pictures carefully, making sure that they show people of different sexes in different roles. She plans for a range of learning activities and avoids those that are sex-specific or that only appeal to some children. The more activities her learners are actively engaged in, the more they learn. Kosi encourages all her learners to express themselves freely and talk about how they feel. She addresses her learners when they make gender stereotypical comments and helps them treat each other with care and respect. Interactions beyond her classroom are also important. Kosi engages parents and caregivers on the importance of learning through a variety of play. She involves them in understanding the interests, friendships, and developments of their children. She helps parents and caregivers become more aware of how gender stereotypes can limit their children's learning and potential. We cannot underestimate the power of an equitable and inclusive education for all learners. All children should be given the best start to develop their full and unique potential, regardless of their sex. This is why the Department of Basic Education, with the support of VVOB, is developing a toolkit and professional development opportunities to support Grade R teachers, early childhood development practitioners, and their managers to use a gender-responsive approach in their schools. Together with you, we can support gender equality in the country, creating a peaceful and prosperous South Africa.